Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first, go into the Wi-Fi settings, click the arrow next to your Wi-Fi and click disconnect and then forget. Now try to type in the password and connect once again. Now if it's still not working, then try to restart the router and your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.